to my BB channel. We have this Minnie Mouse microwave. So this is I'm just gonna make a video with it. Take out this Minnie Mouse microwave.
We're going to check out this Minnie Mouse microwave. And the door can open. And she talks. Minnie Mouse talks if you press a button.
What a wonderful smell! Come on, let's make a treat together. I sure am hungry. Cooking together is so much fun. I love making healthy snacks. Isn't this fun?
You'll do that if you press the big blue button at the bottom.
Time to enjoy our treats.
Let's start cooking.
What are you going to cook
I'm
today?
gonna cook broccoli. 8 number 7.
Cooking together is so much fun. Oh, the snacks are ready.
She made it again. I don't know, my broccoli turned to a slime bag. I'm so excited, yeah. Let's open it. Nope.
Come on.
It is another one. Oh, another again.
This is Share Bear. She loves to share.
I'm gonna go cooking corn. Oh my gosh! It's
A frozen vinyl figures.
Elsa
Frozen vinyl figure. Frozen figures.
frozen figure. So funny. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I got a duplicate. We got a different one because we got a different Elsa, but we get a duplicate.
Here's Elsa when she runs away from Arendelle and changes her queen outfit into a new cool dress with a nice cape.
Now I'm gonna cook carrots. Yeah.
What a wonderful smell.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! When I said to open these, when she opened these.
This is Series 16 Lego minifigures.
Yeah.
This is ages 5 and up. Bonnie says he loves to build Legos and she's only 2 years old.
I love to build Legos. It's Series 16, which deal character, what do you get? And we'll see what do we get. Oh, this is so cool. It's an Econo.
It's a pirate.
It's a pirate. See. Let's see. Which one? Let's stop building.
See you later.
all his outfit. No, I do it. He likes a Joker hat. Ah! Mommy, this is like a Joker hat. I think so. Pirate sword. Pirate. Oh! I didn't know where the pinky. TV. So here's the pirate.
This is actually a desert warrior. First, I thought it was a pirate. So he's actually a desert warrior. He mostly looks like a pirate.
Oh, it's shut off. Let it go. I'm saying let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. We got a queen also. We got a savior. What is his name?
A desert warrior.
Desert warrior. Thanks for my magic microwave. Because give me a blind bag. I'm so happy. Give a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Turn to blind bag. Turn to blind bag.